Tonight, I am treating myself to a solo fine dining experience in honor of San Diego Restaurant Week. Venue, right here at home. Welcome to Dr. Aro's Kitchen. Solo dinner date? More like private chef experience, except I am both the chef and the guest. A private dinner, 3 courses, 1 guest of honor, me, because self-love deserves Michelin star standards. A table set for 1, a feast prepared with love. Dining alone isn't lonely, it's luxurious. I started with the appetizer, Arugula almond tomato salad and balsamic vinegar salad dressing. I started by making the salad dressing. This is one of my favorite dressings. I make it all the time. Recipe of this salad and dressing is available on my YouTube channel. I placed the arugula and halved cherry tomatoes in a salad tray. Added sliced toasted almonds. I cover with cling film and placed it in the refrigerator. Next, I started the preparation for the beef short ribs. Babes, turn off that camera and let's get to work. You played too much. One thing about me is that I always enjoy my own company. I'm searing the beef short ribs on both sides. This short rib recipe is available on my YouTube channel too. If I was to host a dinner, this would definitely be on the menu. I love using habanero peppers for that extra kick. You can use serrano or Thai chili as they are less milder options. You want to use a good red one for this. I don't drink reds, so I use them for cooking. Don't forget the herbs now. This isn't just dinner, it's a ritual. You want to cover this and place in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 hours. Luxury begins at home. Table set, short ribs in the oven, Veuve Cliquot champagne candle lit, bottle chilled. Every detail is intentional. I have mastered opening this. No spills, slightly tilt the bottle on the side while opening and ensure it's chilled at the right temperature. An evening for one, but a feast and celebration for the soul. Okay girl, let's keep going. One thing about me is that I am my biggest cheerleader. Babes, let's get started on the halfcakes. Dinner is at 7:30 p.m. We are on schedule. You can make this as sweet as you want or less sweet. I don't have a sweet tooth, so mine are less sweet. Recipe of these amazing halfcakes are on my YouTube channel. It took me a very long time to master how to make amazing halfcakes. I kept practicing. I didn't give up. Something else about me is that once I put my mind to mastering a skill, I will do everything in my power to attain that goal. Ensure your oil is not too hot when you start deep frying. Fine dining isn't reserved for reservations. It begins with how you choose to honor yourself. If you enjoy good food made with love, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dr. Aro's Kitchen. Remember, this can be stored in the freezer if you make more than you need, and eat as needed. If you're on a weight loss journey, go easy on this, please. Oh, it smells heavenly in here. Next, I boil the green bananas and mash them. You may substitute this for potatoes, cassava, or cauliflower if you are weight watching. Another thing about me is that in as much as I watch my weight and want to keep it at a certain number, I always enjoy good food. I don't deny myself what I want. This dinner is going to be amazing. Would you ever set the table and make a fine dining experience just for yourself? If yes, what would you cook? My timer just went off. The short ribs are done. Look at that. Some fell off the bone. I garnished with parsley. Remember to remove excess oil as needed. Also remember to pick out the herb sticks, bay leaves before servings. Let's pour some Rombauer Chardonnay. This is one of my favorite Chardonnays. Cheers! Some women wait for the invitation. I create my own. It's time to plate. The local time is 7:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Let's start with the appetizer. Presenting a 3-course solo dinner date from Dr. Aro's Kitchen. Appetizer, Arugula almond tomato salad served with balsamic vinegar dressing. Drinks, Veuve Cliquot champagne and Rombauer Chardonnay. Entree, the heart of the night. Braised short ribs, slow cooked in red wine, tender enough to melt into the mashed green bananas. I set the table for one, but with Michelin standards. Solo dining is never lonely when it's done beautifully. Look at that. This is Michelin star dining experience hands down. There is power in knowing who you are and treating yourself just like the queen you are. I am the queen. I really enjoyed doing this. I should do it again. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's move on to the dessert. Shortcakes, warm, golden, and dusted with powdered sugar. Ah, this smells so good. I can smell the cardamom spice I put in it. The powdered sugar option is optional. It's the taste as good as it is.